Hello, is this Dr. Smith's office?
Yes, this is Dr. Smith's office. How can I help you?
I would like to make an appointment with the doctor.
Sure. When are you available?
Tomorrow morning, if possible.
Let me check. Yes, the doctor is free at 10 a.m.
Perfect. Please book it for me.
Done. Please come 10 minutes earlier.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Good morning. What time is your appointment?
At 10 a.m.
Okay, please take a seat. The doctor will call you soon.
Thank you.
Ms. Anna, the doctor will see you now. Please come in.
Yes. Thank you.
Hello, how are you today?
Not so good, doctor. I feel very tired.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms?
Yes, I have a headache and a cough.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For about 3 days.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, a little.
It looks like you have the flu. Don't worry, it is not serious.
What should I do, doctor?
Take this medicine, drink a lot of water, and rest.
Can I go to work tomorrow?
No, please stay home for 2 days. You need to rest.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Don't worry, you will feel better soon.
Hello, I just finished my consultation.
Okay, the consultation fee is $50, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your receipt.
This was a daily English conversation at the doctor's office, step by step. Practice it slowly and clearly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons.